Today we're going to take a quick look at the Venzo VPT cycling torque wrench. This is let me flip this box over here. This is a really nice little kit. Pick it up for about $45 on Amazon if you want to, or wherever. So that's it. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box and take a look at it. Slide the sleeve off there, and you can see it's a very nice hard shell case. Solid clasp there. Keep it locked up. Let's go ahead and pop that open and take a look inside. Alright, that's what she looks like. Go ahead and let that fall out of there. We'll take a look at that here in a couple seconds. Let's take a look at the wrench first. The wrench itself has a nice satin finish, and let's take a look at that gauge there. All you got to do is spin the handle to adjust the little red gauge there up and down. That'll set your torque. And it's a very substantial wrench. You definitely feel like you have a quality piece of equipment in your hand here. Awesome. Taking a look back inside the box, right here you have a 5mm extension, and then you've got a set of keys here from 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 millimeters. Also, I believe you've got a T20, a T25, and a T30 in this set as well. So that should cover all your basic cycling needs. The paper I let fall earlier was this calibration sheet for those of you who care about that type of thing. Yes, it does come with one, but let's get on to testing this product. And here we are at the side seat mount. As you can see, that's a 12 Newton meter max bolt, and I've got the torque wrench set to 12 Newton meters. All you got to do is obviously slip it in there, and bam. Hopefully you saw that, maybe heard that. Just that easy. So apparently my seat wasn't as tight as it should have been. We'll go ahead and go over to the other side here. I know you're not going to be able to see this, but we're going to do the same thing here. Slip it in there. And maybe, bam, right there, you felt that, and we're good to go. The seat post clamp on this bike is an 8 Newton meter max. Again, I've set the Venzo torque wrench for 8 Newton meters right there. Let's go ahead and try it out. This one feels a little tight on this side. Almost there. I want to keep this even, so I'm going to go ahead and switch to the other side real quick. Tighten it up. Boom, that one just clicked. Go back to the original one. Click, there it is. Overall, this is a really solid set, and I can't believe it's taken me so long to pick one of these up. I would say this is an absolute must for any cyclist, especially if you've got a carbon fiber bike. So, hey, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd super appreciate a thumbs up like. Stick around for some of our other videos, maybe. Take a look at them, see if you like them or not. And if you do, well then I'll see you on the next video.